Hello, in front of me I've got Vanture N4 camera. In this video I'll show you how to install the cap mount to your camera and then how to plug it and install it to front windshield. As you can see, the mount itself has this port. This port allows you to charge your camera via the mount, because right here there is a USB-C charging port and you have to plug the power supply to this charging port. Then the energy is coming through the mount to this port and then to the camera. So let's start mounting it. It's very simple because, as you can see, this mount can only be installed from this position. So let's begin with it. Now, when it's inside this port, simply push it. As you can see, now it's plugged to the camera. If you want to take it out, simply press this knob right here and then you can pull it. Let's install it again. And it's done. Now, in order to use this suction cap, you have to twist this part to the left. Now, of course, you have to remove the sticker. Now, push it into front windshield and then twist again this part to the right. Now it should suck to your front windshield and the camera is installed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.